Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by eliminating the common network and power causes. Plug the console into Ethernet, wired cuts latency and packet loss. Once connected, restart your router and power cycle the Xbox by holding the power button for 10 seconds. That clears cached network states. Make sure the console's power mode is set to energy saving so it fully reboots between sessions. These steps quickly remove transient issues and prove whether lag is network-related versus something deeper. Once done with the basics, focus on system and network tuning. Update the console and every game so bugs and performance fixes apply. Close background apps and clear local save data cache to free CPU and I/O for the game you want. On your router, enable Co-S or set the Xbox as a high-priority device to reduce jitter. If using Wi-Fi, move closer or switch to 5 GHz for less interference. These changes improve throughput and consistent frame delivery. You're at the finish line. Isolate the problem with a different network. Try a mobile hotspot to see if ISP routing is the culprit. If issues persist, back up your saves to the cloud and perform a factory reset to remove deep software corruption. This often fixes stubborn lag. If lag remains, inspect HDMI cable and TV game mode and contact Xbox support for hardware diagnostics. Quick tip: if lag spikes only in one game, reinstall that game before resetting the console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.